My experience in the Y2 Legacy program has been like amazing. It's like super fun. You get to learn a lot of stuff about like my history that I didn't even know of.
It's a very good program for wanting to be a leader.
The York Region District School Board, working in partnership with York University, created Y2 Legacy, a Black-centered approach to leadership, innovation, and excellence.
This year, the Y2 Legacy offered 4 courses to students over the summer.
Through credit-bearing courses in technology, literature, business, leadership, and community engagement, students gain hands-on experience that prepare them for the future with mentorship, collaboration, and a supportive learning environment. They leave each summer ready to navigate the school year with strength and leadership.
We are currently at York University in Winters College.
We design a number of experiential activities around Black accomplishment. So hopefully the kids will be inspired to put their best foot forward.
The people here are amazing. I met some incredible teachers. They taught me a lot of things.
We've done group activities where you're able to connect with others, listen to others' ideas, and also feel like your opinions are being heard as well.
We actually went on a couple of field trips. We went to the ROM and we went to visit Carnegie Hall to learn about Irv Carnegie. We've also had a lot of guest speakers in here to teach us about a lot of useful stuff. One that I found really interesting was about credit, and I found that really helpful.
One of the things I enjoyed the most would be the True Colors activity. So we learned how to manage or how to get along with different personalities.
It provides like a learning environment where I see more people of my race or more people like me. So there's a greater sense of belonging here.
This summer, NACA's Kumba Summer Camp at Terry Fox Public School has combined STEM activities with sports and recreational activities, as well as provided a deep focus on Black history, heritage, and leadership.
This summer, I was working with NACA's Kumba Camp as a co-op placement. My favorite part of the camp would probably be building connections with the kids, understanding the kids, and just watching the connections grow and just seeing the joy on their faces. I enjoy seeing them every single day.
As the days went on, the campers got closer and closer with each other, and then they built really meaningful relationships with their counselors.
NACA is such a great community, and it's just such a fun, fulfilling camp, and like any kid should be welcome to come.
This course has been really fun. Like, it's a different twist on English, of course, and I feel like it's a nice alternative way to learn, and it like helped me a lot.
My favorite part of this program was definitely doing our slam poetry. We could write about anything, and it was just like, it was fun.
We learned about a lot of cultural things, about Black culture and African American culture, so it's been really fun. Every single day, like at the end of the day, you do like a little art. It's like different. It's not just English. You do like a little bit of art twisted things. It's like a nice brain break at the end of the day.
I find everyone here is really like accepting, and it's easy to make friends just right off the bat, even on the first day. Really nice hands-on projects, and you're also working on the computer with the AutoCAD and learning how to code.
We're doing bottle rocket projects, which is super fun, where we made water bottles with pressurized air and we launched them. But it's been a blast so far, and I can't wait to do more.
The Grade 9 Technology and the Grade 10 English courses are open to students of all identities. The Grade 11 Co-op and Grade 12 Business Leadership are exclusive to Black identifying students, designed to foster specialized identity-affirming experiences.
Parents are also sharing gratitude because Black history is part and parcel of the Canadian history, and for that they are truly grateful. And they're also hoping that this will continue in the years to come.
We invite students to join the journey and step into a community that celebrates who they are, promotes growth, and prepares future leaders. Because your brilliance matters. This is your legacy.